Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still see that we're very clearly in an uptrend. I think we possibly are in a wave 5, but I still think it needs to go up and take out these previous highs. I still think the 155, maybe even 156 area is the most likely place for this to end this uptrend. So going down to the weekly time frame is where I got my Fibonacci extension, measuring this move up, projecting out the bottom of this correction. And that's one of the major reasons why I think that first of all, it needs to take out the high of wave 5, and that puts us actually beyond there, which puts us all the way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension, right around the 155 area. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm still calling this move down a correction, and I'm still calling this move up a trend. I do think that this is going to go up. One of the clear signs is that we are beyond the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this push down. Normally, when a trend goes beyond is 78% of a push down or a push up, that means that eventually it will go up and take out the previous highs. And according to our weekly and monthly time frame Fibonacci extensions, I think the 155 is a very likely area for this to keep going to. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on just the last push up because I am still expecting this to be a correction. To me, it looks like this is like an A, and this is more like three waves up for a wave B. I think we do need to go down a little bit more for a wave C. So I'm not really ready to go long yet. I am definitely looking for longs, but I think it needs to go down a little bit more, maybe touch the 78% before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. And if it does go down and break structure, that probably just means that it's going to be a bigger correction, most likely a correction to the whole move up instead of just the last wave of the move. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, depending on what time frames you trade on, if you trade on the 1 hour and under, I think you should be looking for shorts right now. It kind of almost looks like it is producing a short right now either ways. Like I said, I think there is a very good likelihood that it's probably going to at least make its way down to the 78.6 level. Seems most likely to me. Maybe they'll just turn back to 61.8 instead, but either way, you could be looking for shorts if you're a scalper. If you're more like a day trader like me, swing trader, then you should probably be waiting for the end of this correction, waiting for a Fibonacci bounce, nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.